Pandas, unstacking one column of a data frame. I want to unstack one column in my Pandas data frame. The data frame is indexed by the date and I want to unstack the country column so each country is its own column. The current Pandas DF looks like this. When I use df.pivot I get the following error: reshape error, index contains duplicate entries, cannot reshape. This is true since I'm looking at dates that are reported at the same time by each country. What I would like is to unstack the country column so only one date would show for each month. The data frame headers like this date would still be the index. I have worked on this for a while and I'm not getting anywhere, so any direction or insight would be great. Also, note you are only seeing the head of the data frame, so years of data is in this format. Thanks. Douglas.
If you can drop product, unit, and flow, then it should be as easy as to give.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.